Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket Royale on your PC. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. This allows you to run mobile games like Rocket Royale seamlessly. Some excellent and widely used options include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Make sure to pick one that is compatible with your computer's operating system for the best experience. Once you have chosen an emulator, the next step is installation. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator and download the installer file. Run this file and carefully follow all the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. It is crucial to ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor for smooth and enjoyable gameplay. With your emulator successfully installed, it is time to get Rocket Royale. Open the emulator, which will present you with an interface similar to an Android tablet or phone. Navigate to the Google Play Store, which is usually pre-installed. In the search bar, type Rocket Royale and press Enter. Locate the game in the search results and click the Install button to download and automatically set up the game. To ensure the best possible experience, optimize your gameplay. Access the emulator's settings to fine-tune graphics and frame rates. Often, setting it to 60 frames per second provides a very fluid experience. Configure your keyboard and mouse controls for precise aiming and movement, which is a significant advantage over touch controls. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications on your computer to free up resources and boost game performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.